Renew your bedroom with this pine wood platform bed by Zinus. Wood-finished headboard and frame with metal interior frame support. Strong, reliable wood slat support for your spring. Memory foam or hybrid mattress. Ships in one carton for easy assembly. No box spring is needed. This Zinus pine wood platform bed offers strong, reliable support for your mattress and looks great in dreamland. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. A strong and stylish bedroom centerpiece, expertly crafted support. Rustic and richly finished wood takes center stage with this exquisite platform bed. It offers stronger, all-in-one support for your mattress that looks beautiful in any setting. Number 2. Solid wood craftsmanship, rustic elegance. Solid wood with a rustic finish is the star of the show. A beautifully detailed headboard frames your mattress and adds traditional warmth to your bedroom. Number 3. Durable construction. Steel legs and center support offer durable mattress support and reliability you can count on for years to come. Number 4. Easy assembly. All the parts, tools, and instructions you need for setup are neatly packed into one compact box, so assembly takes less than an hour. Number 5. Updated styling with strong wood slat mattress support. Number 6. Wood headboard and frame with metal interior support. Number 7. Dimensions: 74 inches by 54 inches by 7 inches. 47.2 pounds. Headboard height: 27 inches. Number 8. Non-slip tape on the wooden slats prevents your mattress from moving. Number 9. Easy to assemble and no box spring needed mattress sold separately. Number 10. Worry-free 5 years limited manufacturer warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.